In this video, I will teach you how to move the start button back to the left corner in Windows 11. Before the Windows 11, we were using Windows 10, and usually we can see the start button at the left corner. But in Windows 11, here we can see at center. So how we can change this position? You can search here for the settings. And after settings, now on the left side there are few options, and we can select personalization, and then taskbar we need to select, and here taskbar behaviors, from where we can control the alignment, badging, automatically hide, and multiple displays. So here you can see taskbar alignment center, so we can move this to the left corner. So just like Windows 10. So if you are used to see the Windows icon on the left side, start button, so here in the Windows 11, how you can change it, this is the simple method you can follow. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please do subscribe my channel.